Officer. We're arresting you on suspicion of murder. The murder of Wade Murray. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, the court will provide you one. Take her away. Don't laugh, we know you're guilty. That's right. Don't tell officer what to do. Remain silent. We're going to use this against you in the court of law. Flipping me off now? Don't talk smack. I don't like your attitude.
Kelly Ione, you are being charged with murder in the first degree. You have the right to not say anything that will incriminate yourself, and you have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, the state will appoint you one. Would you like an attorney? Yes. I appoint you James Corcoran.
I accept this case. You would like to put bail at $1 million. Objection! Yeah. In this fair country, based on principles of freedom and equality, we have a simple mantra. Innocent until proven guilty.
Abstain. Sit down. Bill has been approved. Let's post it at $1 million.
Though the murder weapon was not recovered, Miss Ione has no alibi of that day, and there is video evidence of her entering that room. Though evidence was contaminated, there was no exact time of death, but video evidence shows her leaving the scene.
May I have the floor, Your Honor?
You may.
Thank you. We don't have a murder weapon. DNA evidence is non-existent. The body found at the scene of the crime was contaminated, and there is evidence, video evidence of her leaving around the time that the body, before the body was discovered. Now, this was a stabbing crime. That would mean blood. But in the video, high-definition cameras, there was no blood on my client. How does somebody stab a man, watch him die, and then leave with not a single drop of blood on their person anywhere? I ask you. This woman is a simple school teacher, going about her day, students. Going to trial now would not only ruin her reputation, her professional career, but also the educational life of the students who she tries so hard to impact. There's not enough evidence to try this woman for this crime. Thank you, that's all I have to say. Has the jury reached a verdict?
Despite the defense attorney's eloquent argument, we have decided that there is sufficient evidence to take this case to trial.
No! I failed. It's going to trial. Grand jury just came back. It's okay. Still got some tricks up my sleeve. We're gonna win this one. I'm gonna beat that smug prosecution lawyer. I hate that guy. Oh well. We're gonna beat this one.
You've been charged with a murder in the first degree. How do you plead?
The defense pleads not guilty, Your Honor. So, the prosecution's moving to change of venue. They believe that Wade Murray was such a hated individual in Marion County that he won't get a fair trial. I say that's pansy stuff. If that man deserved to die, he deserved to die. It doesn't matter. But Kelly Ione didn't kill him.
We know you're guilty. Just confess now. We can get you 20 years in prison with possibility of parole.
And if she doesn't confess?
Then it's a life sentence or the death penalty.
I've spent so much time watching you send innocent men to prison. I'm not going to let you send this innocent man to prison, woman to prison.